Sometimes on WhatsApp, you may have sent an event, or sometimes you may want to send one. When sending an event, if you want to add a description, you can add it. In this video, we'll tell you how to add or edit a description on a WhatsApp event. For this, open the WhatsApp application. Then select the contact to which you want to send that event. For example, I'm selecting this one. After that, I have already sent one event. If you want to edit the description of that event, click on Edit Event. When you click on that, here you can see the description. If you want to change this description, you can change it. And after that, click on the Send button. When you click on that, the description will be edited. Or if you want to send a new event, just click on this button, and here you can see the event option. Click on Event, and here you need to add the event name, and after that, you need to set the time, date, location, etc. And again, click on the Send button. When you click on that, the event will be sent, and the description will be added. So, this way, you can easily add or edit a description in a WhatsApp event. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.